Hi everyone and welcome to the studio. It's that time again to do some painting. This is the first one that I did in this HIMI Gouache book. And I'm going to go back a page because I did miss one after the cover to do my next painting. And I've been thinking to myself, like, I just don't get the chance to do a lot of painting anymore, and I really want to make an effort. So I want to set a challenge. There are 56 colours in this HIMI kit, and there are 56 colours. 56 seems like a good number. I'd like for you to join me in creating 56 pieces of artwork. And we can use the community tab to put up and share those 56 different paintings. So if you want to come along for the ride, then make sure that you head to the community tab and let's attempt to do some creating together. All right. Now, the paintings that you choose to do, they can be small, big, they don't need to be scrapbook size, they can be anything. It's just being creative, just trying to get the paints out and having a little bit of a go at it. So for today's picture, I'm thinking that I'm going to attempt to draw a face or paint a face. Now, I've not done this before, so I'm just going to sketch out the actual face here. So it's going to be of a lady looking up. And this could be a complete disaster. You know what? It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, it's practice. So if it turns out that it looks ridiculous, it looks ridiculous. Kind of gives me the structure. Let's see how badly I can put this one together. I'm going to leave it at that. All right, I don't think I'm going to touch this any further. I'm going to leave it as this. It's been a learning experience. I picked something really hard, harder than my skill set, and it is going to do. So that is painting number 2. Done and dusted. And I use the HIMI Gouache as well as the Derwent Inktense pencils here. So thanks for hanging around and watching the video. Not everything that goes in a sketchbook. Remembering that sketchbooks aren't perfection, they are learning experiences. Thanks for hanging around, and I'll see you in the next video.